Yes, digital product family. Hope you guys are well. Guys, we're here with another fantastic niche finding exercise and a designing one on MIDJOURNEY. So stay tuned and be ready right to the end to check this mad video out. But as usual, before I get going with this fantastic video, if you love digital products, you love creating, researching, and all of that mad stuff, then please hit a like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and do share. If you want to help your friends get those trending digital products, then please share. And look at this, man. I'm on Etsy. And look, I love these, look, book PNGs, these lovely different types. Look, there's watercolor fantasy books, there's floral books, there's tumbler wrap books, there's bookshelves, book borders, there's Christmas books, there's a bookworm reading clip art bundle, there's fantasy reading. Who would have thought there's so many different types of books, autumn books, 656 images, man, that's a mad thing. Chee. Fantasy book. Wow. Flowers and books. People love their flowers and books. Look at this coffee mug and book with a pumpkin on the side for that Halloween flavor. Look at that 23 bookshelves. Clippers. People are loving books. Let me tell you something about books. People love books. Yeah. All sorts of books. Now, let me tell you how you can actually make that profit, make that cash with a niche like this. Let me explain it, and I'm going to show you on these examples. So check this out, these profitable ones. Now, I'm going to show you a few. Actually, let me show you this one as well, because this one's decent. Oh, this is a different type. Right, there's many different types, but let me just click on this one. First of all, right? So this is a tumbler wrap with that book flavor, right? You can see the books are there, the flowers are there, people love it, right? It's in demand, boom. It's a bestseller, boom. It's a 20-ounce skinny tumbler, a favorite of many kind of people's tumblers. $600, right? Not too shabby, is it? 150 monthly sales. Not too bad, right? So, like, let me just have a look at the design. Look at that design. Really nice watercolor with flowers, okay? Cool. Has it got all, are they all? Oh, they're different. Okay. You get 16 free tumbler designs included. That's mad. But yeah, so these are the tumbler ones, right? And it's making cash. It's decent. It's a tumbler wrap, right? But look, books can be in many different types and designs. This is what I love about it. And I'm going to show you some mad profitable ones. Like, let's go to this one. Let's check this one out. Look at these. So these are like books with book quotes. That's an interesting angle. So it's about finding that little niche, that little angle. Because look, the book niche is really good, but you've always got to find that angle, guys. And that's what I keep saying. That's what I always say. My way is to always make sure that I look, first of all, I see what's there. I go to EVERBEE. So I'm on EVERBEE like 24/7 with Etsy because they link lovely together. Check out the link in my description, free access. I go product analytics, and then I can find which ones are profitable, right? Simple. I need to follow the cash. You need to follow the money. See what works. Check it out. Have a look. See what other keywords being used and so forth. So that's my process, right? So I've done that already, right? Now I'm showing you what's there. So this is the angles, like quotes, and you can see. Look at this. I'll just show you one example. Like, look, it's a good day to read a book. Bookmarks. One more chapter. That's wicked. I'm fully booked. Book travert. I like this. This is cool. It's in a book. Take a look. Yeah, so basically, you got to find an angle. This is the quotes angle. Let's see how much this quotes watercolor book, nice, cool style with them wordings, makes. Let's see. $700 per month. That's not too bad. It's actually on a sale right now, so you got to take that into account. But, it's a decent angle, right? It's an idea. It's an angle. Here's another idea for you. Check it. This is fabuloso, right? Christmas tree book, right? So a pile of books that look like a Christmas tree. Look at this. All booked for Christmas. So it's that Christmas angle, that Christmas flavor for those book lovers. That is you know what? I love this. I love this because it's smart. I like smart. Look at it. And it shows you what it's going to look like on a mug. Boom. Yeah. On a t-shirt. Boom. Wicked. Wicked and wild. Boom. Check it. Lovely. I love that. Because that's what you need to do. You don't just take a niche and you just, try and just do. You got to add a flavor to it. It's the ingredients that help it sell. You got to realize that it's a combination. So let's say a book niche. Then what are you going to do? So there was a quotes there. Nice angle. Now, if Q4, Christmas is coming, obviously not now. You probably do it like months before. You get it ready. And you think about, how can I make a books niche into a Christmas time flavor? Well, here you go. Here's one example. And, made it look like a Christmas tree. That book, a pile of books. Love that. Love that. And there's so many angles. This is what I'm trying to say. You find the angles. Now, when you find the angle, that works. That's original and unique. And nobody else has got it. Then the cash follows. Look at that. $1,483 per month. Boom. That's what I'm talking about. 2-month-old listing. Boom. That's what I'm talking about. 188 sales a month. Boom. That's what I love to see. Right? Look at the conversion on that. You know it's good. You know it's good. That's why I like EVERBEE, because you know what? It's all clues. It's all hints. It's like an investigation. I would have loved to be an investigator if I wasn't an Etsy seller. I'm telling you now, I would have loved it, because I'm investigating right now. Check it. Yeah? Call me Columbo. Right? Look at that. 14.77. Conversion rate. I love that. 14.77. What? I know that people are looking at the image thinking, yep, let's get this. Let's get this. Conversion ready. Ready to go. You know what I'm saying? And that's what I'm talking about. You find the angle and you find the money. Find the angle and you find the money. Yeah? That's what it is. Understand that and you're going to be a winner on Etsy. Find those angles. Don't follow the pack. Don't follow people, see what they're doing, just do exactly the same. It ain't going to work like that. I'm telling you now. It don't work. You got to have a flavor. And I'm going to show you a design flavor today. So here's another one. And I want to start doing a bit of designing. Look, I talked about this trend, that breakthrough trend, that design. Now, people are loving it. Christmas ornaments right now, it's crazy for this. Crazy for this breakthrough style. They love it. Now, look at it. They've done it on a bookshelf. Amazing idea. Really good idea, actually. So they've adapted the book style and put it into a mug wrap. Done a hole through the wall, breakthrough style. Yeah, so you're mixing in a trend with a niche. Love it. So look at this, 857 per month. Not bad, right? That ain't too bad. So this is my idea. See, I'm gonna give you ideas. So how I'm gonna do it is, I want to do a little flavor where it's books, and then it's got a breakthrough design that I'm gonna create. But the breakthrough is going to be through snow because it's Christmas. There you go. And I don't mind if you take that idea. You can have that for free. Check it. Let me jump onto MJ, my go-to AI. Yes, I'm on MJ. Let's go, MJ. MIDJOURNEY. Let's do this thing. Right, I haven't even tried. By the way, I wrote this, but I just copied them. I didn't paste it, and I just wanted to try it. So what I did was, I typed in 3D Christmas book. Okay, let me do this properly. 3D Christmas book. I'm going to write it now. Book clip art. Book pile. Clip art. 3D reading book. Let me do reading book. Reading book clip art. I'm gonna leave pile alone. Take that out. Clip art, right? Breaking. Yeah, that's better. Breaking through a snow wall. All right. This is a cappella. That means I'm just trying it out. Let me just try it out. Let's see what we get. Let's see if we get this breakthrough style, because I want to do a Christmas flavor with books coming through a snow wall kind of idea. But let's see what I get. As long as this is where you do your experimentation, guys. You try it out. You see what prompts work. You have a go. You try and do an angle. Please work. But this is what I'm saying to you. Sometimes you don't know what you're going to get. Sometimes you just don't know what's going to happen, right? Sometimes it can surprise you. Sometimes it can look terrible. Sometimes it can work. Like, that just looks crazy. Like, I don't know what the hell that is. That don't look nothing like I want it to, right? I'm not having that, right? I don't like that. Okay, let me just kind of reduce it a little bit. Get rid of some of those words. Just did not work. And then see what we can do with that. 3D reading book, breaking through a snow wall. Keep it simple. Sometimes you got to keep it simple to see what is produced. Sometimes it gets a bit too mad for it. It doesn't understand it. Doesn't know what you wants from you, what you want from it. So I've typed in bookshelf with reading books breaking through ice wall. And you know what? I'm getting close. I'm getting real close. Check out number 2. I'm going to just increase that. Look at that. It looks mad. It looks mad. It's got that. Look at that. So I can imagine that I can somehow have that as a, look, ice around it. I can have that as sort of a design clip art sold in Christmas, right? So this looks like it could work, right? It could actually work. It's not quite exactly the flavor that I want, but like I don't want it to be like the one I showed you, because obviously I don't want to do it the same, because I want to do completely different. But what I'm saying is like, you know, what they've got is they've got like a wall and they've got the bookshelf, where I've got a bit of ice. I got some ice through the bookshelf. So, you know, with MJ, it needs tweaking. So what I'll do is I'm going to go back and I'm going to tweak it further. But my point is that you want to find a slightly different angle, you know? I mean, you know, having the usual, if you like, let's say, where are we? Book clip art, which you can do, which is probably easier. Book clip art in a watercolor style with a Christmas design. The Christmas design. Yeah. So like I'm going away now from that kind of breakthrough thing, and let's say I want to do some clip art design. Obviously, I just want to like put down a prompt that I feel like can work in a sort of Christmas style, and then I'll see and adjust and maybe change it up a little bit, see what I get. Let's see what we get from this one. Now this is a whole different thing now. I'm going totally different. So this is clip arts with a kind of Christmassy flavor, okay? And I've kind of left it open to see what they give me. See, this is interesting. You know, you can see that I like these actually. They are Christmassy. You know, I really like this one as well because it kind of looks kind of cold, but it's got a candle on top. It's kind of nice. But they all got a certain flavor. Look at that one. That's quite nice. And you know, I can imagine I can do a bundle of these really, you know, clip arts. And look, people buy them. People buy them because look, if you're doing invitation cards, if you're a bookie, whatever it is, you can actually use it. So there's many different angles we can go and do something like this, but at least it gives you an idea. What you do is you go to EVERBEE, you find what is actually working, something that's recent as well, that can work in Q4 or holiday season, and add that angle to it. So choose a niche, add an angle to it, put that Christmas flavor, for example, Halloween flavor, pumpkins, autumn, fall, spring, whatever time it's summery, whatever time is coming, you can add a flavor to a niche, and then it can work fantastically well. I'm going to leave it there, guys. If you loved the video, hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Don't forget, check out all the links in my description. Check out EVERBEE free access, and check out all the other videos. Check out my playlist, and I shall see you in the next video. Take care.